Yo, what's good, Marvin enthusiasts? Hey, this is a little, series for the. What am I throw this on? The second channel? I'll do a Dynasty rebuild for all my channels. Today, I got a team in mind, alright?
Time to select your rosters. Choose to use the latest
I got a team in mind.
Rex time to customize your Dynasty experience.
Okay.
Choose your settings and
Listen, bro.
customize your conferences, complete with unique rules and protected rivals.
Listen, bro. I'm gonna go All-American. I ain't doing no Heisman, bro. I ain't that good, motherfucker. Get my ass whooped on Heisman. Fuck you talking about, son? I ain't doing no Heisman, y'all. I don't know if y'all thought I was some TD Barrett or something. I ain't doing no Heisman. Conferences are fine, I guess. I might redo the Mountain West in the next year, 2026. But yeah.
It's now time to select your team. Do you want to build a team from the ground up or take over an established contender? Pay attention to each team's prestige rating, represented by the number of stars next to each team's name. And now,
y'all already know
where to start your. Here, you'll choose to create a. Now it's time to choose your coach archetype. Your starting choices are motivator, recruiter, and tactician.
Reese Davis is really about to piss me off, bro.
Acquiring players, maximizing player development, or putting your team.
Oh my God, bro. Okay, game, shut up. Damn, motherfucker. I need to turn this shit off, bro. Dead ass. I'm about to get mad, bro. Marvin. Marvin Wayans. How about that? I'm probably spelling it wrong, but I don't care. Marvin Wayans. Okay. Let's see here. And I'm gonna be playing the games too. Fuck you talking about, bro? I ain't finna simulate. That shit is difficult. Like, bro, you could build a super squad and this shit's still gonna force you losses. Like, bro, we ain't doing all that. Hell no. Let's see here. Let's go pro style Louisville 4-3 defense. Yeah. Alright, I'm a modder. Let's go San Jose. What the hell is California? Wait, hold on. Yo, where the hell is California? They don't got no California pipeline? Okay. Wait. Carolina. There we go. Southern California. That's close enough. No huddle style. No, we ain't doing that. I want to play slow. Alright, what looks like me the best? Bro, these face scans are just completely awful. Why can't you edit your code? Can you edit it? I don't think you can. I've played this game long enough. You cannot edit it. Bro, none of these shits look like me, bro. We'll go with this. Physique. No, let me be real. How tall am I? 6 foot? Hey, gotta keep it a bug. This is my real fucking weight. This is my real appearance. Bro, you should be able to wear a suit. I ain't gonna lie, like the old games, I was wear this.
Congratulations, it's time to sign your first coaching contract.
5-year contract. Let's see here. Let's make a custom schedule. Gotta make it a little comp, you know. I don't know if I want to face Kennesaw State. Let's see here. I want to face an SEC school every season. SEC's where all the comps at. I'm telling you, bro. SEC is the most competitive conference in college football. If you disagree, bro, I don't know what to tell you. We're probably gonna get our ass whipped by any of these teams, to be honest. We'll take on Mississippi State week 3. No, hold on. We'll face Ohio. And the rest of these. Do I want to face Oregon State? Hold on. Why do they want me? Why'd they want me facing 2 Pac-12 teams? We'll take on UAB, and yeah, that's good. Other roster. Our quarterback's solid. 86 speed. He's got he's got physical attributes or whatever they're called. Got a decent quarterback room for the conference we're in. Running back's good. Damn, 90 speed. This is a junior. Running back room isn't too bad. Oh, we got a beast at receiver. Tight end. Left tackle. Alright. O-line needs some work. I need a center. Oh my gosh, we don't got a good right tackle. Got a pretty solid. Alright, bro. I gotta turn this music off, bro. It's like getting on my last nerve, gang. Alright, damn, these two DBs. 94, 92 speed. 88 speed. Damn. Alright, so the roster. Hold on, bro. We gotta turn this shit off like right now, bro, before I really get mad. How do I turn off the music, gang? There we go, man. Turn this off like right now, bro. Thank you. Oh my gosh, bro. I want to have the in-game commentary. Let me just turn off the music. I guess I could have the in-game commentary, but the music's gotta go like right now, bro, before I really get mad. Yeah, everything else could stay, I guess. Yeah, everything else could stay. Okay, anyway. Oh, I thought I heard the music coming back on. I was finna freaking crash out. Anyways, let's see here. Bro, first thing we need is a damn center, my guy. Bro, center is one of the most important positions in the sport of football. We got no centers that are interested in coming here. We're gonna recruit a couple anyway. These are all. Yeah, I'll recruit the one from California. Yeah, bro, ain't nobody interested in coming here, bro. What the I need to stop cussing. I ain't gonna lie. Let's look for a quarterback. There's a 4-star. Definitely not interested in coming to San Jose State. Alright. And we need some more running backs, obviously. I'm gonna just do a lot of early recruiting. There's 2 4-stars here. None of them are interested. Is there one that's interested? There's not. Damn. Yeah, this is gonna be a challenge, Brody. Fullback's also a really important position. Okay, we'll take those 2. There's a 4-star receiver here. Definitely not coming over here. Fuck it, we'll try and recruit him. Even though this shit ain't gonna happen. Tight end. 4-star. You know, we'll try, but they ain't coming over here yet. I need to build this program. It's gonna take a while, bro. Promise you. This series is gonna be long. But I hope y'all enjoy. And let me know if I should continue and do more of more series videos like this. I haven't done one like at all. But I love this damn game. Even though this game be pissing me off. I love this game. I'm addicted to this shit. I play this shit all damn day. Two-star here. Damn, like no, bro, we're not in no players top 5. That's crazy. Ain't nobody rocking on San Jose State. That's tough. Oh, we're number 1 on this too. Okay. D tackle, we need some depth, bro. So we gotta recruit like we never recruited before at D tackle. D tackle is so important, bro. When you can't get pressure, your defense really can't get stops or nothing, man. If you can't get pressure, your defense is. But bro, look, we're top 3 on this dude. This 4 stars list. Power rusher, right off ball linebacker. Heck yeah. Okay, that's enough here for now. Try and recruit this year. Cornerback, pretty stacked at cornerback too, but obviously we need work on the secondary. Ain't no cornerback. Damn, like no one's interested in coming over here. That's tough. We got like one that's interested in coming. We're like in this top 3. What was it? The left off ball linebacker? Oh shit, we just reached the limit. Okay, we're pretty good, I think. I don't think I need to recruit a kicker yet. We'll probably have to go back. Alright, let's scout this motherfucker right here. Alright, bro, it's not a gem, but 80 pass block, 83, wait, 80 pass block finesse, 83 pass block, 78 strength, pass block power 79. Not the best, but beggars can't be choosers right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, anyways. My bad. Let's recruit this other center here. Or scout, I mean. Bro's got a mental ability. Oh shit, 90 strength, 86 impact blocking, 82 lead block, 74 agility, 90 strength. Did I already say that? Damn. Yeah, bro, come over to San Jose State, please. It's not a gem or nothing, but yeah, he's really good. 90 acceleration. Oh yeah, he's the quarterback. Okay. Yeah, come over. Alright, so we're gonna continue to do this. I'm not gonna stay on here for too long. 88 speed. Yeah, this dude's good. This dude is good. Alright, so I offered him a scholarship. We're in his top 8. Hopefully we don't get cut off. We're probably gonna get cut off on this dude, Dakota Coleman. I ran out of scouting hours, but I offered most of these dudes a scholarship. Most of them have like abilities, mentals. We did pretty solid scouting and recruiting. Yeah, when I get more hours, most of these dudes is gonna have scholarship offers. Beggars can't be choosers. I'm sorry. Let's go to the coach mentals real quick. Let's see here. All right. What's the one we need the most? We'll go with O-line. Advanced look on. Takes less time to fully scout. All right. Like I'm telling y'all, bro, O-line is one of the most important parts of football, man. Those dudes battling in the trenches, I'm telling you. O-line gets underappreciated. But alright, it's week 0 in college football, so got 500 hours, so we went up to number 1 on this fullbacks list. This center word number 1. But okay, I'm gonna do some more scouting and scholarship offers. I'll hit y'all after. Check out the top 25 real quick. Alright, so obviously Georgia, Ohio State, Texas, Oregon, Ole Miss. Yeah. So alright, let's go ahead and hold on, it's gonna be in the Heisman watch. Oh yeah, Genty, hoping the Cowboys could draft him low-key. McMillan, damn, he's in the Heisman watch. Bro, McMillan is a dog, bro. I ain't gonna lie. McMillan, that dude's nice. But let's move on. Okay. Alright, y'all, so wait a second. Okay, so we take on the FCS team. Week 1. But alright, y'all, that's gonna do it for the first episode. Yeah, you gotta wait till episode 2. Fuck they talk about. It's kind of messed up, I ain't gonna lie, but hey, gotta wait till episode 2, y'all. Keep it here.